friends, now today we are going to start with the new construction here. This is the next construction, question number 2 of exercise 11.2. What we have done the previous construction, again we have to construct a triangle. This time again they have given the base value BC, they have given the base angle, angle B, but this time they have given the difference between the rest of the two sides of this triangle. Base BC is given and the difference between the rest of the two sides are given. Friends, we know that whenever the difference of any two values is positive, so we should consider that this value is greater than this value. That means AB is greater than AC, because here the difference is positive. So now let's see, this question is again the same method that what we have done the previous one. So again we'll construct the base first, that is BC. So the length of BC which is given here, that is of 8 centimeter. So let us draw a 8 centimeter line segment here. This is 8 centimeter line segment. This is BC. Now one base angle must be given, as the BC line segment is there. So we should have the value of either angle B or angle C. In the question they have given angle B, which is 45. So as we discussed in the earlier videos that how to construct 45. 45 can be constructed by two ways, either the bisector of 90 or bisector of 30 and 60. We will do with the bisector of 90. This is any arbitrary radius we have taken, B as a center, and we construct an arc. First we construct 90 degree. So this is 0, one arc, 60. From that we should construct another arc, that from 120. And from 60 and 120 we should draw the arc as it becomes 90 degree. As we have to construct 45, so this should be the dotted line. So 1, 2 and 3. The bisector of 90, so one arc we should construct from 0 degree and one we construct from 90 degree. So this intersecting is 45 degree. Let us give this name BX. So here angle B which we obtain is 45 degree. Now let's see what could be the next one. We have done this one, this one. Now the difference is given. So let's take the length of the radius of that difference. That is 3.5. So this is the length of the radius, 3.5. From point B, we should draw the arc of radius 3.5. And let us give that point E. Now we should join EC. Let us join EC. Now we should draw the perpendicular bisector of EC as we discussed earlier. The perpendicular bisector, that means you should take the length of more than half of EC. Then from C you should draw one arc on the upper side, on the lower side. Keep the same radius. Now from point E should draw the arc upper side and lower side. Join this intersecting point which form a perpendicular bisector. Student, we should remember this perpendicular bisector should be intersecting this ray BX. So I need to extend this. So this perpendicular bisector and this angle B, that means ray BX, they both are intersecting here. So this intersecting point is point A. So look at this. The triangle ABC, let me just join AC also. So triangle ABC of required measures we obtain. Let us see the difference whether we obtain 3.5 or not. So let us see what the length of AB. Students, you can see here it is approximately 12.8. So AB, that is 12.8, and AC, that is 9.2. AC is 9.2. If I'll do the subtraction of this two, I will get 3.6, which is approximately 3.5 centimeter. So as we discussed earlier that the length of AB must be greater than length of AC. So you can see that this is the required triangle ABC we obtained here. Justification here. So here the perpendicular of EC which we construct, let us give that point M. So you can see here in this diagram the two triangles are formed. Triangle AME and triangle AMC. Now let us show the correspondence between these two triangles. So the two triangles which I told you, that is triangle AME and triangle AMC. So angle M, which is right angle, so they both must be equal. The reason, as it is right angle. As this point M is the midpoint, because this is the perpendicular bisector, so we can say that EM is equals to CM. The reason M is midpoint. One more, obviously that AM is the common side. AM is the common side. So we can observe here that both the triangles are congruent to each other. AME is congruent with, M is congruent with M, E with congruent with C, so A with A. So here we have used side angle side criteria. Now here we can see that if I'll show the CPCT, so AE is also equals to AC by using CPCT. Now let's see that how we justify that this AB minus AC is 3.5. So as we know that AB minus AE is 3.5, or we can write B. Let's write down that. AB minus AE is equals to B. But as we know B is 3.5 and AE can be written AC. Therefore we can say AB minus AC is 3.5. So this is how we can justify this construction. I hope you understand this. Thank you.